नमस्कार दोस्तों, आर के डिजिटल स्कूल में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल पे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, सो यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन व्हेन एवर आई अपलोड द न्यू वीडियोस। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था पाइथन क्या होता है और पाइथन इन्वायरमेंट सेटअप किया था डेवलपमेंट के लिए। इस लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले हैं पाइथन वेरिएबल क्या होता है। तो वेरिएबल्स आर फंडामेंटल एलिमेंट इन प्रोग्रामिंग, is to store data that can be referenced and manipulated in program. Okay? In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to them, and they do not need declaration to reserve the memory space. The declaration happen automatically when you assign a value to a variable. Example देख लेते हैं. So Rakesh is the variable. I am assigning a value to 100. So here call as declare a variable Rakesh and assign some values. So right now I assign 100. We'll just print this one, print Rakesh. Just run it. 100. We get the 100. Age is equal to 36. Height is equal to 6.6. Name is equal to Rakesh. Silver string. Medium display. Now I'm printing these values. Printing the variables. So simply use print x print. I will just run this code. Okay. So we get the 100. Age is equal to 36. Height is equal to 6.6 and name is equal to Rakesh. You will see now variable naming convention. So variable name should be descriptive. Whatever you are declaring, it should be understandable. And then they must start with the letters, and it contains letters, numbers, and underscores. Okay. So we'll see some valid example. Valid variable name. So valid variable name is Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. I'll just print this one. First name, print, last name. Okay, I'll just run this code. It's either output. First name is Rakesh, last name is Kumar. Okay. Now you see some invalid variable name. Invalid variable name like 2. Age is equal to 36. Print. Will not get the suggestion. Now see the see invalid decimal literals. You cannot define the variable as a number. Okay? You cannot define variable as a at the rate name. You cannot define a variable as a at the rate name. Okay, this is invalid variable. And now I will see the variable case sensitive example. Yes. Yes. Okay. Name is now is Ramesh, and I'm defining name equal to Rakesh. So case sensitive, that means both name has a different variable here. I'll just print both name. Print name. We'll see the output. We'll see the Ramesh and Rakesh. In the last you see Ramesh and Rakesh. So and if you make it as a name, then it will override. Rakesh will also only come. Rakesh and Rakesh. Now we see Python variable type. Python variable type. Variable type. Python variable type, that means Python will allocate the type as per the declaration. Okay. Suppose I am defining age is the variable and I am defining the variable 25. Then it behaves like a integer. Height is equal to 6.6. That means it behaves like a float. Name is equal to Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. Then it behaves like a string. Print type name. Let's see the output. See, it's dynamically assign a type, integer, float, and string. These are the values. Depend upon the value, whatever you are assigning to value to this variable is automatically convert in the string, integer, and float. Okay. Now we'll see the simple calculator program. Write a program for simple calculator. I'm just giving the value variable 1 and variable 2 as a hard coded. You just use to pass the from the keyboard. So suppose I have given 36, num2 is 46, 45. Okay. Calculate the sum of this one, num1 plus num2. So now difference is equal to num2 minus num1. Multiplication. So num1, num2. And just print all these values. Print sum sum. Okay. Print. Guys, please start coding with me so we come on the same page. Without practice coding, you cannot achieve your goal. You have to practice again and again the same thing, so you will get the speed up. If you know that, if you know also, you have to start practice. Without practice, nothing will going to be happen. Okay, we'll get the sum is 81, difference is 9, multiplication is the 1620. See you in the next video. Bye bye.